Just want to show you the labour recording to start off with. So there's the mobile app, nice and simple to log in. Like I said, I'm on my iPhone. Different functions we've got in here, and we're going to see a few of these, but there's some warehouse tools as well. I'm just going to do a super simple kind of zap onto to record some labour. So I tap on to record labour. When I come in here, it tells me if I'm actually physically recording any labour to the job. I'm going to tap on the scan QR code and just tap on that QR code. And then I'm just going to say start timer. I can even type a note in here if I want. I can select what rate I need to use, if I've got different billable rates. And now I'm just clocked onto the job. How that looks inside of the UI is if I come back to the labor tab here, you can see that I'm now booked into it. I'm highlighted in green and my little clock is running. So if I'm running live on that task, then the clock kind of carries on running. If I was to log out or stop the timer on that, then the clock stops and the blue highlight goes away. It's just a normal kind of record inside of the system. So that's how they can log on and off a job with the mobile app. And that could be at a task level, or I kind of just went simple and just did it at the job level there as well.